In this video, I would like to explain rounding. It's important. Now, the first thing you need to know is the place value. Look at this nice number here. We have 9263759. So the first number to the right, if there is no point, if there is no decimal point, the first number is ones. So this is ones. The next number, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. If there is a 9 here, it's a million. Now to round, you will first need to know the place value. So now the question says round to the nearest tens. We will first underline the tens, which is this nice 5 here. Now who decides if the 5 stays or goes up? The next number, which is 9. If the next number is 5 or more, this number goes up. Goes up means you add 1 here. The circle number always becomes 0. If there are many numbers after the circle number, they all become zeros. We will see that, don't worry. So now the answer for this question is just 2, 6, 3, 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, and the circle number becomes 0. That's your answer, rounded to the nearest tens. Now, what if the question was 2, 6, 3, 7, 5, 3, for example? And again, the question asks you to round to the nearest tens. So we underline the tens. We look at the next number. Oh, it's less than 5. If it's less than 5, the tens stays. So the 5 stays. So it's 2, 6, 3, 7, 5. And the circle number becomes a 0. So this is a nice question. Now let's go and look at the next one. Round to the nearest hundreds. So we look at the hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds here. Underline it. Circle the next number. This is what decides if the 7 stays or goes up. If it's 5 or more, you round up. So the 7 goes to the next number, which is 8. So your answer is 2, 6, 3, 8. The circle number and everything here to the right becomes zeros. That's your nice answer. 1,000. The next question, round to the nearest 1,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. We underline it. We look at the next number. The next number is more than 5. So the 3 goes up. We add 1 here. So your answer is 2, 6, 4. The circle number and everything to the right becomes zeros. See, now look at this question here. Usually now in the IGCSE, they sometimes ask you to give your answer to the nearest whole number. When they say whole number, they mean the ones place. So it's this place here. The 1 comes before the decimal. So this is the decimal point. The first number to the left is the 1. So you underline that. And the 5 here decides. If it's 5 or more, we round that up. So it's 2, 6, 3, 8. You can just write 0.0, or you can leave it like this. It's both correct. Now look at the next number. I need you to round this to the nearest ones again, to the nearest whole number. So this is the whole number. This decides. The circle number is less than 5, so the 6 stays. So your answer should just be 26. How was it? Was it easy? Can you round this one? 26.37 to the nearest tens. Try this and comment your answer. Thank you for following. Bye-bye.